So knowing your enclosures and what you're trying to achieve in those enclosures is very important. What is the big variables? Are we doing a temporary molding area versus an open range type of an area where they can pick up a lot of speed? Submerged versus non-submerged types of enclosures? Terrestrial versus aquatic versus air? Single species versus multiple species? All that kind of plays into the multiple variables, involved in the design. Huey-Wendell paradigm. Knowing the habitat is essentially about understanding the environment that will be determined in types of structural loads that are caused to the viewing window area. So the animal impact, we've talked about that. There's pedestrian types of loadings that people want to be able to stand up against it, lean against it, and take pictures of those types of loads. Wind pressure is if it's an external type of viewing window. Thermal loads associated with hydrostatic and seismic. Sloshing, so whenever you have a pool of water and there's a seismic event, there is a known sloshing force in that seismic event that plays a part of designing that glass or viewing window area. Light loads, floor loads. So sometimes we've actually gotten into very odd viewing situations to where it's viewing from above. There is types of viewing where they're looking down through a glass portal into their environment. So those types of loads can play in and even snow as what we'll see. It must withstand forces including air wind, human impact, wind forces, thermal movement, failure of the panels.